My salted caramel sundaes. And I'm starting with 8 ounces of bittersweet chocolate. So I'm going to take a cup of heavy cream and put it in a bowl, set over a pan of simmering water. You don't want the water to touch the bottom of the bowl or the chocolate could burn. 8 ounces of chocolate, right in. I want this to be really chocolatey. Next is 2 teaspoons of corn syrup. I only use light corn syrup here. 1 teaspoon of coffee granules, instant coffee granules, or espresso, whatever you have. Okay, so I'm just going to stir this and let this chocolate melt. It is going to make the most delicious chocolate sauce. Are you ready for a serious sundae? I'll show you how I assemble this. So first the chocolate sauce, big puddle in the bottom. Then I've got a small scoop, and I'm going to do 3 small scoops of salted caramel ice cream. You can find all different kinds of brands in the store. Just pick your favorite. 3 scoops. Caramel popcorn, homemade, right on top. Just break it up. Try not to eat it all before it goes into the sundae. And a big dollop of whipped cream on top. Now, all I need is a big spoon and a big smile.